Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made granola. I will be trying it in two different ways with you. Yes, you can choose to keep it simple, or you can add a lot of nuts, lot of fruits, depending on how you want yours. So the first one, I'll be trying it out with mashed banana inside my oats. Yeah, I have up to 500 grams of oats I'll be putting. Take your time to mash this banana very well. Please, if you're hearing the sound of my baby, please ignore it because she don't want me to do this voiceover in peace. So after mashing the bananas, you see I added up to 3 pieces. You can add up to 4 depending on how you want yours. Okay, you have to pour into your oats and you add cinnamon. Yes, it's all your choice, so it's optional. Do exactly what you want, exactly what you love. So I sprinkled some coconut. I use grater to do this, and some almond seeds and some almond nuts and also cashew nuts. So you can even add pumpkin, you can add chia seed, anything you love. Please do you can even add peanuts. So like I said, I will be showing you 2 ways I tried my. So please, there is no particular recipe for this granola to me, so you prepare your own just the way you want. You can decide to mash, blend apple, blend strawberry and pour to give you that flavor. It's still okay, so do you whatever you want is okay. I added more coconut and almond nuts so that everything will look so unique and beautiful. So like I said, there is no particular recipe. Do you're welcome to my channel. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel. If you love food, you love baking, you love best trays, you are the right place. Just click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. So stir and make sure everything is well incorporated. Like I said, this particular recipe, the honey will help the whole thing to bind together. Yeah, the honey you added. So I'll be spreading it out on my work surface. I'm using baking paper for this because it's going straight to my oven. Yes, with my oven tray. The baking paper is on my oven tray, so I'll spread out some quantities in the oven tray, and the rest I'll be using my air fryer. Air fryer makes it so faster. I mean what I'm saying. So if you have air fryer, you are still on the right way. So you can feel free to do it little at a time till everything is well dried. You can dry your own brown. You can want it to brown a little. You can just anyhow you would. The main thing is just to make everything dry off so that when you store it, it will not turn to something else. So straight to my oven, I put some in the air fryer tray. So I'm putting it straight inside my air fryer. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to my channel. Feel free to like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to share to your friends and family. You can see the ones in the oven. Please, one thing about this granola, if you put it in the oven, you don't have to put it and leave it. You have to put it and stir it. You have to be around for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You have to be around. And if you have to allow it up to 10 minutes, you have to lower your oven very well and be stirring it little at a time. Very important. If not, you will come back and the whole thing has already turned to charcoal. So and I know you don't want that. So keep stirring till you're sure everything is dried. Yeah, if you still want it to look browny, it's still up to you. So you can see the oven or the air fryer on is even more browned to tell you air fryer is very fast. So finally everything is getting done and looking pretty and okay. So the second part, the second style that I use, this one is a very simple one. So just have a little almond in the house, and you get some honey, you get some oats, you get your cashew nut. You can use hammer or something else to break the nuts into pieces, just like if you can be cracking them just like into two, that kind of a thing is pretty okay. So I just try what I can and I decided to use it like that. You can see how it's looking, not pretty bad. So that is it. So if you want to like wash it, you wash. If you want to like wash before using it, it's okay by you. So I just washed it, try drying out water a little bit, and that was that. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share to your friends and family that love good things. Pour some peanut into your bowl. Pour the almond nuts. You pour some oats, a good amount of oats, rolled oats, very very important. Stir together. Stir very very well, and you add honey, and you stir till you're sure everything is good. Yes, just add any amount you want to add, is up to you. Just try your best to stir and incorporate everything together, making sure everything is okay before you start putting inside your oven or air fryer to dry it up. So this simply means if you don't have cinnamon, you can still make your granola. If you don't have banana, you can still, like I said, there is no particular recipe for this granola thing. Do what you want. You can decide to add as many as, just like chia seed, pumpkin seed. You can even gather a lot of fruits, blend them, pour it inside, mix everything. So just do you. So here I'll be pouring out in my oven tray to dry the things up. Yes, so just to take your time to dry it up. Like I said before, if you want to dry in your oven, make sure you're checking it little at a time. Yes, very very important, so it doesn't burn. So you have to be checking it and making sure everything is okay. So this is the outcome of our granola. So tell me if you'll be trying the first one or the second option. You can create a full granola parfait with this. I'm using low fat Greek yogurt for this, and I'll be making granola parfait just my own way. Yes, just scoop out some yogurt and you sprinkle some honey if you want, and you stir. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed? If today is your first time of watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So right away, sprinkle some granola, top up with your yogurt, and you go in with some more granola, top up with your yogurt. And you just sprinkle some toppers. That's it though. Granola parfait is ready. This is so yummy. Please feel free to try it and let me know if you'll be trying this out. Just look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Thanks a million for watching, and don't forget to like this video. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.